so surprised, and I was actually enjoyed the experience. I found it really interesting watching the progress that the guys made, and the actual evolution of the building was absolutely fascinating for me. The crew itself were friendly, and they were extremely competent and diligent, and I can't praise them enough. Actually, my experience was really surprisingly good. The enclosures were a massive improvement. We had older enclosures, and the new ones, I will say the enclosures for me, because I have quite a large one, sitting in an enclosure now felt like I was sitting in a real sunroom, and the other one was sort of very flimsy, and so that's a major difference to me. I can sit out there comfortably now, read a book, look out at the street, and feel like I'm in my own sunroom with these beautiful windows with lovely white frames, and the solid quality of the actual materials that we use were first class. The communication was excellent. Anytime I had a concern or a question, Andrew was right there with an answer. If I had something that I needed to be done, some small thing that was basically bothering me or whatever, he was on it immediately. And so I can't say high enough things about Andrew and his communication skills.